Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. So in order to do this, you first need to launch Google Sheets, and then you just have to select that particular row and that particular column in which you want to add the checkboxes. After selecting the column, you just have to hover over to the top and you need to click on insert. In the insert, you will be able to see this tick box section. So you need to click on tick box and you will be able to see the tick box in this column that you have selected. Now you just have to hover over to the top and now you will have to click on format, then select conditional formatting option. Once done, in the right hand side you will be able to see various options where you just have to click on this is not empty option and then scroll down and select custom formula is. After that, in the value tab you just have to type equal to in your keyboard, and then you just have to type dollar, and then you need to select the name of the cell, which is H in my case. So I'll simply type H and then 2. Then you just have to select the done button. You can even make it bold, italic, underline, and you can even change it color if you want to. Then you just have to click on this done button and now you will be able to use it very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.